What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe people, places, or things. Colors are adjectives, like yellow, purple, green, red, peach, and blue. Sizes are adjectives, like small, medium, big, and huge. Shapes are adjectives, like circle, square, star, rectangle, and triangle. Feelings are adjectives, like scared, sad, angry, excited. How would you describe a cat? We can say, it's small, happy, friendly, and gray. How would you describe an apple? We can say, it's small, shiny, red, and round. Can you describe these pictures? Please write your description in the comments. See you later.